Struggling to find where to change your Dropbox profile picture? In 2 minutes, you'll have a personalized account that stands out. First, we'll log in and access settings. Then I'll show you exactly how to upload and save your new photo. All right, let's start. Open up your browser and head over to Dropbox. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your email and password now. Don't worry if it takes a second to load, that's totally normal. Once you're in, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circle or maybe a generic silhouette. That's your profile icon. Click on it. A little menu will drop down. Here's where a lot of folks get tripped up, so pay close attention. You'll see two options that look similar. One says Settings, and the other says View Profile. What you actually want depends on which view you're in. The quickest path is to click View Profile. That takes you directly to where your account picture lives. Now you should be on your profile page. It shows your name, your email, and right there in the top left or center of the page, you'll see your current profile photo area. If it's blank, it'll just be that default gray silhouette. And here's the really important part. Right beneath or next to that photo, there's a button. It might say Change Photo on the web version, or if you're on a mobile browser, it could say Upload Photo. Either way, click that button. Your computer's file picker will pop up. Now navigate to wherever you keep your image. Desktop, Downloads, a specific folder, it doesn't matter. Just pick the photo you want to use. I'd recommend a square image that's clear and professional, but use whatever you like. After you select it, Dropbox might give you a cropping tool. This is your chance to get it just right. You can drag the corners or click and drag the image to reposition it. Make sure your face is centered and nothing important gets cut off. Take your time with this. Once you're happy with how it looks, look for the blue button that says Save or Update. Click it. Now give it just a moment to process. You might see a small loading spinner. That's fine. And finally, the satisfying part. Take a look at your profile page. That new photo should be front and center now. You might need to refresh the page if it doesn't show up right away, but usually it updates instantly. From a generic, forgettable account to a profile that actually looks like yours. That's really all there is to it. Now go ahead and upload that photo. You've got this.